Welcome to our video of the Motorhome 1986 WanderLodge Bluebird Motorhome to be auctioned at Gardner Auction Service on Monday, September 21st, 2015. We'll do a quick walk around. Individual pictures are also on our website at GardnerAuction.com. A nice WanderLodge motorhome. This is out of the Archie Lorenzen estate. We sold a lot of his items. And this was one of Archie's pride and joy. We'll walk through and give you an idea of it. For a complete description, go to the item in the catalog and it'll show you all the details on the engine and the specifics of it. Archie took very good care of his items. He had a number of these WanderLodge Bluebirds. This is a 1986 model. Be sold on Monday, September 21st. The auction starts at 5 p.m. The equipment vehicles start about 6 o'clock. There'll be live and online bidding. So give us a call if you got any questions about it. 406-752-7682. Do a quick walk around of the exterior. Like I say, for all your individual pictures, go to GardnerAuction.com and look at them, and we hope we see you at the auction.